Hey guys, so it's the night before the trip. As you can see, the hood is wide open because my Jeep threw a code, and come to find out I have a leak on my thermostat housing. So yeah, I might as well change the housing, the seal, and the actual thermostat. So hopefully it fixed the problem. And of course, the night before our last trip, I had a problem too, so maybe it is the curse. I'm always gonna have a problem right before our trip. I don't know, but Sasquatch is coming to help me to replace it, so hopefully it doesn't take too long and we can start packing for our trip for tomorrow. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so we replaced it, put a new one in. Now find out I have a little opening right here. We're gonna cover it up with the wire cover. Sasquatch. Yep. So now what do we gotta do next? We just gotta put everything back up and then
yep, we do the wire and then we'll fuck these up. So
yep.
Wire first and then this.
Yep, so and then we gotta put more coolant, raise it up a bit and drive it for a little bit. So Sasquatch to the rescue.
Always.
Yep.
Just wrap it up. Just need to top it off and pull it. We're good to go.
Yep.